Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to redeem your NordVPN subscription through Revolut. If you're on the Premium, Metal, or Ultra plan, NordVPN is already included. You just need to activate it. Before you begin, make sure your Revolut plan is active. If your plan has expired or been canceled, your NordVPN access will be removed automatically, so it's important to double check that first. Now let's get started. Open the Revolut app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. From there, go to the section labeled Your Plan. This is where Revolut lists all the benefits included with your subscription. Scroll down and tap See All to view the full list of perks. Look for NordVPN and tap on it. Revolut will walk you through the activation process. Just follow the on-screen steps, and when your activation code appears, copy it. Next, head over to NordVPN's activation page. Paste in the code, sign into your Nord account, and complete the setup. Your NordVPN subscription should activate immediately. If you run into any issues, first make sure your Revolut plan is still active. Also check whether you recently changed plans, as that can sometimes require you to reactivate the benefit. And finally, double-check the activation code for any typos, since that's a common cause of problems. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your NordVPN subscription through Revolut. If you're looking to upgrade or want to get NordVPN with a big discount, check out my link below for up to 74% off plus 3 free months. Thanks for watching and enjoy your secure browsing.